Welcome to Kroolo, your Smart Productivity Powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can privately share AI agents. We're in the AI Agents section, and here we have a list of popular agents. To share an agent, just click on the agent's name to open its profile. Navigate to the Share and Embed section. To privately share an agent, enable this toggle. If it's not enabled, then click on this drop-down menu. You have the option to share this agent with all members, or you can select specific members. If you want to share it with all members, click on this option and modify the access settings. You can grant either edit or view access. Choose the desired access setting, click on Share, and the agent will be shared with all team members. For sharing with specific members, select this option and click on the members list. Here, you can select members. You can add more members by clicking on this option again. You can search for member names directly, or you can pick one from the list. Next to the member names, you'll find the option to change the access settings, granting either edit or view access. Once done, click on Share. As you can see, the agent has been successfully shared. This is how you can privately share agents with the team members. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your Smart Productivity Powerhouse.